So the magnetic pole in the north right now is racing across the Arctic Ocean towards Siberia. The southern magnetic pole is moving as well. Now, it's not moving as quickly, although it did have an acceleration in the last 15 years. And they're not shifting and staying on opposite sides of the planet. One is going over towards Siberia. Follow that, keep following that, and you hit the Indian Ocean, right? The south magnetic pole has left Antarctica and is heading towards the Indian Ocean. The magnetic poles are on a collision course for the Bay of Bengal, which is the northeastern Indian Ocean, you know, in between the subcontinent of India and where the Sunda megathrust, the 2004 Christmas tsunami, happened in Indonesia. It's actually right where they're supposed to meet. It's right where that plane just vanished a couple of years ago into thin air. A lot of strange magnetic anomalies around the exact spot where the magnetic poles are on a collision course right now. And what's interesting is the exact opposite side of the planet is the South Atlantic anomaly.
Right.
If you've got a point on the planet and the magnetic poles are moving away from it, you know, you've got a refrigerator magnet, you pull it a millimeter away and let go, it'll probably stick to the fridge. 2 millimeters, it might still get sucked in and stick to the fridge. You pull it a foot away, it's hitting the floor when you let it go. It's very likely that one of the magnetic poles will have its home there in the Bay of Bengal, east of the Indian subcontinent, and the other one will sort of take the natural polar field setup that Earth has, that most spinning objects have, and sort of pop out the other side of the planet. Maybe that's directly in the South Atlantic anomaly, maybe that's in Brazil, maybe that's off the coast of Ecuador, somewhere in that general area. The magnetic poles should probably stay there for about 6,000 years.
Okay.
But it's what happens all very quickly leading up to that, and then when that event happens, that is why anybody should care. If all this means is, oh, we've got to learn how to use compasses differently, or we've got to redo the GPS system, for most of us, who cares?
Right.
Like,
right.
Okay, let the nerds of the government figure that out, right? I don't care. Unfortunately, it's not so easy.